I'm Kerry O'Brate here at booth 1828 at the AHR Expo in Mexico City, one of the largest refrigeration trade shows in the world. Here at Embraco, we're focusing on our three segments: aftermarket distribution, food retail, and merchandisers. The first solution I bring to you is the Embraco Plug and Cool, an R290 seal system drop-in solution for cabinets and cold rooms. This is a great solution for supermarkets and convenience stores that like the flexibility of being able to change their layout, move around, or even if you need to expand quickly. Next, I have the FMFT, an R290 variable speed solution with high efficiency that works at both 115 and 220 volts, 50-60 hertz. This is great for producers, for manufacturers that want to concentrate all their SKU or all their products into one SKU and cover the full gamut that they can offer. Finally, for merchandisers, I have the EMC, a high efficiency on-off solution produced right here in Mexico that is great for light commercial opportunities. At the Embraco booth, we have a whole team of experts here to help you find the solution that's right for your needs. Come join us.